Hi everyone, it's Matthew again, and today is 1st of January 2026. Happy New Year to all the subscribers globally, and wishing you all a prosperous year ahead. So we're right back to our winning ways again, and here we're going to be trading the volatility. We're going to be trading the bull market index, and we're on the Smart Trader interface. We're using the Smart Trader this time, and a little bit. So once you log into your trading account, you go to Smart Trader. The market here, you go to Bull Market Index. The touch, no touch. We're going to be trading the no touch. The durations 2 minutes. The barrier offset is plus 4.9693. Plus 4.9693. So right there, I've spotted the spot where I want to place that trade. I'm going to show you after this trade. I'm going to show you because I click this spot that's there, then I click on no touch. So after this trade, I'm going to show you. So under the buy sell indicator here is at work. We're using it. Some trades are on right there, and we are online. I'm going to close them manually once they hit profit. So the buy sell indicator works on Deriv and other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. You can use it to trade your Forex pairs and volatility index, and we're giving it away for free. So check the video description on YouTube to get it for free. The touch stripper board and the pip stripper board as well, they're still effective, and the links to order them are in the video description on YouTube. You also get some free stuffs when you order any of our bots. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels. So here are the links. Let's quickly check the trade again. So still on. So here are the links to get the buy sell indicator, which works on Deriv and other Forex broker platform that support MT5. Sign up for a free trading account using this link right there. Then subscribe to all our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. And send an email to this email address with the subject free indicator with the last 3 digits of your account. Once you confirm your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you. For those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator here for $12. And the links to order the Pip Stripper board is right here. Check the video description on YouTube. All these infos will be pasted there. The touch stripper board is the link to order it. For those who don't have a trading account, this is a link to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies we're dropping regularly on demo. Then you can go live when you're perfect. So there are other infos there. Check the video description on YouTube. So here you can see this trade has ended and we won the trade, 3.94 plus 12.7%. So we're going to go back here. I will show you how it works. So once you've logged in, put all the settings, the barrier, everything, enter the amount you want to stake. So we're going to be clicking on does not touch. When this wall movement, the edges is very close to this bar. It will either be red or green. It has to be very close to it. You can see the gap here is too wide. It has to be dropping down, and it has to be very close to the bar here. It may be red, it may be green bar. It has to be close. The edges. So our mouse will be here. You can see it's already dropping down. You can see it's close right there. You can see it's very close. That's why I click on no touch. So that's how it works. So let's wait for the outcome of this trade. This is just 2 minutes, so we have 1 minute 46 seconds left. We have 17 seconds left right there. So as you can see, we won that trade. We made another one there. So that's how it works. Share our videos, subscribe. Wishing you all the prosperous year ahead. We're going to drop 3 strategies today across all the channels. Make sure you subscribe, share, comments, and likes. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.